Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide file extensions on Windows 11 PC. By default, Windows 11 hides known file extensions. However, if you need, you can unhide these file extensions on Windows 11 using three methods. All are easy and you can use either method. So to hide or unhide file extensions, just open Windows Explorer. You can see here file extensions are hidden. Just click on this one view option and then select show and then check this one option file name extensions and you will see throughout your Windows file extensions will be visible such as .pdf, .exe, etc. To unhide this one extensions, again click on this one view option, hover mouse over show and uncheck this one option file name extensions. This will hide these extensions on your Windows 11 PC. Otherwise, you can go through folder options. For that, again open File Explorer and then click on this one See More button and then click on this one Options option. Under folder options, select this one View tab and then uncheck the option Hide Extensions for known files type and then click on this one Apply button and then click on this one OK button. This will also unhide file extension. To hide it again click on this one See More button, select options, under folder options choose this one View tab and then check this one option Hide extensions for known file types, then click on this one Apply button and then OK button. This will also hide known file types extensions on your Windows 11 PC. And last one method is through Settings app. For that, click on this one Start button, then click Settings. Under Windows Settings, select this one System in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one for developers. Under this, click on this one File Explorer. Here you will find a toggle switch that says Show File Extensions. Just turn on this one toggle switch to show file extensions, and in case you want to hide it, just toggle off this one switch. That's all about this video.